CompTIA A plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.3. Given a scenario, configure basic mobile device network connectivity and provide application support. Mobile Device Management. Enterprise Mobility Management is a comprehensive approach to securing and enabling the use of mobile devices within a business environment. This framework relies on a collection of services and technologies designed to protect mobile devices while maintaining a clear separation between personal and corporate data. As organizations increasingly rely on smartphones, tablets, and laptops for everyday operations, enterprise mobility management provides a structured way to manage how those devices are configured, secured, and used to access company resources. In today's workplace, employees often access sensitive corporate data from multiple locations and on different types of mobile devices. Without a centralized approach, maintaining security and consistency becomes difficult. Enterprise mobility management helps organizations reduce risk, meet compliance requirements, and support flexible work environments, all while keeping devices functional and productive for end users. At the center of enterprise mobility management is mobile device management, often abbreviated as MDM. Mobile device management is a technology that allows IT administrators to control, secure, and enforce policies on mobile devices. Through MDM, organizations can remotely configure device settings, apply security requirements, and manage how devices interact with corporate systems, regardless of where the device is physically located. One of the primary functions of MDM is device configuration. Device configuration involves setting up mobile devices so they comply with company standards as soon as they are enrolled. This can include configuring email accounts, Wi-Fi access, VPN connections, password requirements, screen lock settings, and encryption. Automating these configurations helps ensure consistency across devices while reducing manual setup and configuration errors. How MDM is applied often depends on the device ownership model. In corporate-owned environments, the organization owns the device and applies full management controls through MDM. This allows IT administrators to enforce policies across the entire device and maintain a high level of security. One common corporate-owned model is corporate-owned personally enabled, often abbreviated as COPE. COPE is a device ownership model in which the organization owns the device but allows limited personal use by the employee. Because the company owns the device, IT maintains strong control over configurations, security policies, and corporate data, while still offering some flexibility for personal activities. A variation of this approach is Choose Your Own Device, often abbreviated as CYOD. CYOD is a device ownership model in which employees select a device from an organization-approved list, while the organization retains ownership and management control. This model gives users some choice while allowing IT to limit support complexity and maintain consistent security standards. In contrast, Bring Your Own Device, often abbreviated as BYOD, allows employees to use their personal devices for work purposes. BYOD is a device ownership model in which the employee owns the device and the organization applies limited management controls primarily to protect corporate data. Because the device belongs to the user, MDM policies in BYOD environments typically focus on securing work-related data rather than managing the entire device. Another critical function of MDM is policy enforcement. Policies define what users can and cannot do on managed devices. These policies may require strong passwords, restrict certain device features, lock unapproved applications, or allow IT administrators to remotely lock or wipe a device if it is lost or stolen. Policy enforcement ensures security standards remain in place even when devices are used outside controlled environments. MDM also supports the deployment and management of corporate applications. Organizations can use MDM to install approved applications, keep them updated, and remove them when access is no longer required. This helps ensure employees are using secure, supported software while reducing the risk of unauthorized or malicious applications. Overall, enterprise mobility management, powered by mobile device management, allows organizations to securely support modern mobile workflows. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.